Hello, and welcome to the video, How to Register in IRBNet. First, you may be wondering, what is IRBNet? IRBNet is an online tool that helps principal investigators and the Office of Research Integrity and Education at DU manage research protocols that involve human subjects, animals, recombinant DNA, and other biohazardous and chemical agents. So, how do you register in IRBNet? Registration is required for all researchers who will be creating and submitting projects for review through either the IRB, IBC, or IACUC. To register, first go to http://www.irbnet.org. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you will click New User Registration. Next, fill in all the required information. We recommend using your University of Denver email address since all protocol decisions and communications from us at DU's Research Compliance Office will go to this address. Use the drop-down menu to select your research institution or organization, and scroll to find University of Denver, Colorado Seminary, Denver, Colorado. Next, you'll create a username and password. Remember that your password must have 8 characters. Make sure all of the information that you've entered is correct on this page, and if so, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to agree to the IRBNet user terms by reading through the agreement and choosing Accept. You'll then be prompted to include a recovery email and a recovery phone number. This email and/or phone number should be one you have access to and one that is different from the one you used to register your account. This email will be used if you need to reset your IRBNet account. You will then need to verify this recovery email by opening up that email account and inputting the verification code in IRBNet. This code is only valid for 15 minutes, so it's advised you do this right away. Activate your IRBNet account. You'll soon receive an email at your registered email account from IRBNet. So click on the link in the email titled IRBNet Activation Required. This will be a simple step to activate your account. If you forget your username and/or password after this time, you'll click on Forgot Your Password in the upper right-hand corner of the IRBNet homepage, and instructions will be sent to your recovery email.